Hi guys! Welcome back to Catanne Life Adventure. Hi guys! We are at
Another year is gone, but baby, all I know is that...
Hi guys! Welcome back to Catanne Life Adventure. So hari ini kami berada di dalam perjalanan ke Nyabau Waterfall. Too bad hari dia hujan guys. Jaga trekking ada payung guys. Anyway, check out the video until the end. Ciao. What?
They're dragons here.
Shut up. Oh gosh. Oh, mud. Ekola. Yeah. So now is what time? 10:41. Yes. If I say sayang. Dạ là ba mẹ dễ ta nội ina nè. Are no sumo isi dua tu ah. Ayo. Dok hajuang. So they put a lot of how to say it? Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh man, please go away. Oh no, it's rain. It's okay, sayang. Yeah. Not for her, but for me. I need this. I don't understand why. Ooh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god. Ya po itong kasot nin. Maksudnya more flexible.
Alam, telefon ko.
Gimana?
Berdiri-berdiri.
I shoot.
Gelap.
It's raining, guys. It's raining. I should stop filming now. My phone is not waterproof. So, see you at the waterfall.
"2,000 years later."
So guys, I have ruined this trip. You know why? My shoes broken while we're going down the hill. Oh my god. This shoes is not suitable for hiking or rain like this. I show you. Look at the muddy road. So now we're going back. We can't continue the road, the journey. Sorry lah pala. We know now that we need a proper shoes. Look at the rain, guys. The rain. We are tired. Now we're heading home. You know why? We didn't go to the waterfall at all. It was because damn shoes. See you later. Yay! Yay! We made it! We made it!
I struggle